Video marketing ideas for your business. How to repurpose blog content into video content. Turn your blog content into a video marketing machine. Video outperforms stagnant images on social media. You've already invested the resources to create blog content. Now it's time to reach your target market with video content. 4 ways to repurpose blog content into video content. Number 1, voiceover. Create a video with stock footage and use voiceover with blog content. Number 2, talking head. Use the blog post as a script and create a video with a person sharing information about the blog. Number 3, create a blog teaser, a short 30-second to 1-minute video with a brief overview of the blog post, driving traffic back to the website with the blog. Number 4, create a quotable video. Pull one main inspirational quote out of the blog post and turn it into a video to share on social media platforms and drive traffic back to the website with the blog. 10 creative video options for your business. Number 1, about us. Allow clients to learn about your business, who you are, who you serve, and how your service helps your clients achieve their goals. Number 2, success story. Share a success story about your business. Number 3, testimonials. Share a testimonial about your client's experience and how you've helped them achieve their desired results. Number 4, services. Go into detail about the services your business offers. Number 5, FAQs. Create videos around the frequently asked questions. Number 6, explainer. Explain the process and detail of what makes your service stand out. Number 7, commercial or ad. Create a video ad to promote your business offers. Number 8, meet the team. Have the teammates introduce themselves. This builds connection with your target market. Number 9, behind the scenes. Showcase a sneak peek at what goes on behind the scenes. Number 10, podcast. Turn podcast interviews into video content. Thank you for watching. For more information, please email patinamedia@outlook.com. Have a great day.